how soft, very complicated. Some people are very
This game is called the human knot. The game is very simple. Your left hand needs to hold the left hand of one player, and your right hand needs to hold the right hand of another player. You are not allowed to hold the hands of the player to your left or to your right. So that's all. Let's start.
3, 2, 1, stop.
Okay, badminton.
Edison really got strategy one, Edison.
Twenty minutes later.
Between AC and Caesar,
yeah. 1 hour later. Later.
It's not working. Okay. Give up.
This game calls for analytical skills and group cooperation to untangle the knot in physical proximity from a tangled mess. Teams will have to work together, see the bigger picture, and figure out the connection between each team members to solve the problem. Having good analytical skills is important in this game, as well as in the workplace. Every decision made can drastically affect the process of getting things done. Team members will also have to analyze whether the instructions given is good or bad before proceeding. By cultivating these qualities in your team members will be able to achieve their team goals in no time. That's all for today. Stay tuned for more.